Hey guys, today we're going to do a review on our digraphs. Now remember, a digraph is when we have two sounds that come together to make one new sound, except for that CK. That's a funny one, isn't it? All right, and so is OO. They have a long sound and a short sound. It's so weird, but that's okay. We're going to do it. So what Miss Keegan did is I went in a hut in my house and I found a object for each digraph, okay? And so I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera and we're going to write it on the sidewalk today. Woohoo! All right, guys, I have my sidewalk talk, and here is Oreo. So hello, Miss Oreo. Good morning. All right, so our first digraph that we're going to have is Miss Keegan's going to go ahead and write it here, and it's an O and an O. You guys just learned this one. An O and an O go together, and it goes ooh or okay? So I'm going to go ahead and find an object that I found in my own house, and it's a fruit by the foot. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and write foot. So I'm going to put an F because that's at the beginning. Foot. And I'm going to go ahead and we have to code it, right? So I'm going to underline it because there's my digraph and it's sound. So it's a short sound. So foot. So here's my word foot. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there. And you guys can have this kind of foot. Oreo kind of has a foot, but it's a paw. It's a paw. So we have the word foot. Foot. All right, the next digraph that we're going to do is a CH. So Miss Keegan's going to put a C and an H. And remember, when you have a C, it goes k. When you have an H, it goes ha. Put them together, it goes ch, ch, ch. All right, so Miss Keegan found a chewy granola bar. So I'm going to put that right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and write out my word. So let me get a different color. So chew. E, and sometimes Y makes an E sound at the end of words, so that's why we put a Y there. So chewy. So I'm going to go ahead and underline the digraph. So now we have ch, ew, E, chewy, ch, ew, E, chewy. So now I have my chewy granola bar, and see, look, it's spelled right there for me. All right, the next digraph we're going to go ahead and do is an SH. So I'm going to put an S, which goes S, the H, which goes ha. Put them together and it goes shh. And I found some relish. So relish. So I'm going to put my relish right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to kind of write it backwards in a way. So is an R. So I'm going to put an R. That's an E. L, that's an L. Shh. So relish. Relish. But I have to code it, so I have to underline my digraph. And remember, this is short, so breathe. Another breathe, because that's short. So relish. So I found some relish. All right, the next one that we're going to do is our TH, which T goes T. Your H goes ha. Then that together, when you put them together, it goes That's when you stick your tongue out at me, right? So let's see what we found. And Miss Keegan found some thick and creamy ranch. So I'm going to use the word thick. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right there. So thick. Oh my gosh. And remember, CK is also a digraph. So thick. Thick. So I'm going to go ahead and underline my digraphs because there's two of them. There's TH and CK. And I still have to code my word. So I still have to code this. And that's an I, right? It's short. So we're going to put that breathe on top. So thick. So we got thick. Oh, and look, ranch even has a CH, so I could even put it over there if I wanted to, but I decided to do my chewy bar instead. All right, we have one more digraph, guys, and that is a C, which goes k, the K that goes k, and you put them together and it goes k. It doesn't follow the rules, does it? Because it's the same sounds, but that's okay. It's still fun. All right, Miss Keegan found some crackers. All right, so I'm going to put the crackers right here. And so let me go ahead and let's write those sounds. That's a C. Put an A. Crackers. So got to put an E and an R and an S at the end because there's more than one cracker, right? So crackers. crackers. All right, so now I have to go ahead and do my coding, okay? So oh, that's short, so we got to put a breathe. Oh, there's my digraph. There's it is, and there we go. So now we coded crackers. So crackers. All right, guys, we found a foot. We found a chewy bar. We found some relish. We found a thick and creamy ranch and some crackers. Well, what you guys get to do now is you guys get to go on your own hunt. Find me something with an OO, the CH, the SH, the TH, and the CK, okay? One thing for each one. Do not forget to code it. That means underline your digraphs and then put your breves and macrons on your short and long vowels. And if you want a challenge, you can write a sentence for each one, okay? But if not, and you just do this for me, this is perfect. You guys are going to do a great job. I know it. And Miss Oreo, bye, baby. Have a good day.